Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to form or create an LLC in Louisiana. So first thing you want to do is go to this website. It's called corpnet.com, sorry, and then scroll down, and here you will find the option choose LLC and choose the state that you want. For example, we're gonna choose Louisiana. Where is it? Okay, here is it. Sorry. Click get started, and that's it. Now choose the plan that you want. I'm gonna choose deluxe plan. Check the options that you want from here and then click continue. Now fill those informations: company name, business address, and that's it. After that, click go to payment, and that's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching.